Greetings from Carroll Communications. Carroll Communications is a federal contracting company in the IT and communication space. We are service disabled, veteran owned small business as well as Hub Zone. My name is Brant Rawson, VP of Engineering for Carroll Communications. Today I want to introduce to you the BCA, the Briefcase Communications Asset. This has been designed by us. This particular one is going to be used for General Dynamics, and it has some exciting features. I'd just like to go over some overviews and some of the applications that can be used for this. As you can see, it looks like a briefcase environment, and I will go ahead and open up this case. And inside, we have a General Dynamics radio, a waterproof battery, some cables going to some bulkheads in the side here, as you can see. Everything's railed in with rail kits, stainless steel or aluminum. The outside has bulkheads with dust caps. This is an appliance for a communications vehicle that can be portably powered under a wide variety of conditions, heat, weather resistant, all that kind of thing. You can fit antennas onto the side, as I'll demonstrate here, where you can just attach an antenna and then have a communication system on the go. As well as you could also run this off to a mast system. The idea for this whole case is a quick communications appliance for military, civilian, or any other government application that needs a quick grab and go communications deployment system. This one here is deployed with a ES2440 General Dynamics radio and a submersible battery kit. Other than that, I'm available for questions. If you have any more, please reach us. If you have any other questions, our website is www.carrollcommunications.guru. That is CARROLL communications.guru. We also can be reached at LinkedIn, Facebook, or by phone at area code 910-653-1099. Thank you for watching.